Hello percussionists, and welcome to your third guided music practice video. In today's lesson we are going to be looking at quavers and making sure we know how to play them and read them on beats 1, 2, 3 and 4. You will be successful when you can correctly play and count your quavers on each beat. Start with exercise 45. Say the counting and do the rhythm out loud. Don't play it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Now with numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 Pause now and make sure you can play that. What beat are the quavers on in exercise 45, which we just played? Beat 1 is 1, beat 2 is 2, 3 is 3 and, so that's the quaver beat. Now look at exercise 47. What beat of the bar are the quavers on? Beat 1, 2, 3 or 4? Hopefully you said that they're on beat 4. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 and, so that's the two quavers. 4 and, play that now. 3, 4. And start with the other hand. 3, 4. Pause now and see if you can say the counting the whole way through exercise 47 on your own. Now play it with me and say the counting out loud. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Pause and practice that on your own 3 more times. See if you can get faster but still stay in time. Now let's play it together again faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. How did you go playing quavers on beat 4? Pause now and see if you can do the same thing with 45 and 46. Now go down to exercise 40, turn the page and go to exercise 50. What beat of the bar are the quavers on? Beat 1, 2, 3 or 4? They're on beat 2, so the counting will be 1, 2 and 3, 4. Pause now and count the whole song on your own. Now play it with me. Count out loud. 3, 4. 1, 2 and 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 3, 4. Pause and practice that 3 more times on your own. And now go down to exercise 52, 8th note expert. What beat of the bar are the quavers on? Count it out loud now, pausing here. And let's check. 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Now let's play it together. 3, 4. Repeat. Now turn back a page and go down to exercise 48. Can you see what exercise has the same rhythm as exercise 48? Compare exercise 47 and 48. What do you notice? The rhythms are the same. So play exercise 47 again on your own now. Say the counting out loud or in your head if you need to. 3, 4. Pause and practice it with a metronome. And now do it with me with a metronome. So that was the first line. Pause and do that again on your own for the second line. Rewind and repeat if you need to. Now pause and repeat and do it again using the sticking from exercise 47. Left, right, left, left, right. How did you go today playing your quavers? Could you play them on all of the different beats? If you would like extension and everything was too easy, do exercise 47, which has quavers and your bounce strokes, and then turn over the page and do 51, 53, 54, and 55. Keep sending me those smart music assignments. Let me know if it's too easy or too hard, and keep up the good work and happy practicing. Hello percussionists, and welcome to part 2. Today we are going to be reviewing our first 7 notes. So B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, and A. Had to think there for a moment. And you'll be successful when you can correctly identify and play all of the first 7 notes in your music and on your bells. So starting with exercise 36, what note are they showing there? An A. Good. And A, what does it look like on your music? Where is it? So A is always 1 step lower than a B flat. So find the B flat on your instrument and go 1 step lower is the A. Pause and practice the B flat and the A so you know exactly where it is on your instrument and on your page. Now look at the first 2 bars and say it with me. B flat, 2, A, 2, B flat, 2, A. And now let's play it. 3, 4. B flat, 2, A, 2, B flat, 2, A. Pause and practice that now on your own. And now look at the next 2 bars. Say the notes, ready? B flat, C, B flat, A, B flat, 2, 3, rest. Pause and see if you can work it out on your own. Now play it with me. 3, 4. Whoops. B flat, C, B flat, A, B flat, 2, 3, rest. And again, those 2 bars. 3, 4. B flat, C, B flat, A, B flat, 2, 3, rest. Now pause and see if you can join the whole first 4 bars together on your own. Now let's check it with me. 3, 4. B flat, 2, A, 2, B flat, 2, A, B flat, C, B flat, A, B flat, 2, 3, rest. Now look at the next 4 bars. Pause now and see if you can work out all of the notes, just saying them. Now let's say them together. 3, 4. B flat, A, B flat, C, B flat, A, B flat, C, B flat, 2, 3, 4, hold. Pause and practice that, saying the notes and singing them out loud. And now let's play them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat, A, B flat, C, B flat, A, B flat, C, B flat, 2, 3, 4, hold. Now pause and see if you can join the whole song together. Remember what the A looks like, B flat and C, and they're the only 3 notes in this song. Pause here. Now let's play it together from the beginning. Pause and practice that on your own. Remember that when you are hitting with the mallets, you want to make sure, especially when you're playing bells, that you're just gently dropping it on so that it's not very loud. Don't whack it, it'll sound awful and will be really sad. When we're practicing it together, I'll be doing it with the other ends, just so that it's not quite so piercing. So practice all of exercise 36. See if you can do it 10 times in a row correctly. Now let's look down the page at exercise 39. In exercise 39, you can see all of the notes that we've learnt so far, including the A. Pause now and see if you can work them all out. Now that you've done that, look at the beginning of the music. You'll see a key signature, and that key signature is just telling you that all B's and E's have to be flat, like we've already learnt. So nothing changes, except the flats aren't in front of the notes anymore, they're at the beginning of the music. So look at the first 2 bars. Sing and say the notes with me. 3, 4. B flat, 2, B flat, C, A, B flat, 2, and do that on your own. Pause here. Now the next 2 bars, D, 2, D, D, E flat, C, D, 2. Pause and do that. And the next 2 bars, F, 2, G, G, F, 2, F, E. Pause and do that. D, 2, C, 2, B flat, 2, 3, rest and repeat. Go the whole thing now, all the way through on your own, pausing now. Now let's see if we can play it 2 bars at a time. First 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and practice that. Now the next 2 bars, starting on D. 3, 4. Pause and practice that. Remember, you can rewind at any time if you need to. And look at the next 2 bars, starting on the F. 3, 4. Pause and practice that. And now look at the next 2 bars. 3, 4. Pause and practice that. And then see if you can join 4 bars together at a time, and then see if you can do the whole thing. Now let's do the whole song together with smart music once you've practiced all of that. practice that on your own. If all of that was really easy, see if you can work out exercise 41 using the skills that we have been practicing with. So chunking, doing it in small sections first, singing and doing the notes, and then play it all together with smart music. Now, let's reflect. How did we go playing our first 7 notes? Do we know how to play B flat all the way up to G as well as the low A? Hopefully that was really easy. Make sure you let me know if I went too fast. Keep sending me those smart music assignments. Keep up the good work and happy practicing. Now, let's reflect. How did we go playing our first 7 notes? Do we know how to play B flat all the way up to G as well as the low A? Hopefully that was really easy. Make sure you let me know if I went too fast. Keep sending me those smart music assignments. Keep up the good work and happy practicing.